Looking for the perfect adults-only getaway in the Dominican Republic? Let me tell you about Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana, a luxury resort that opened its doors in 2019 and has been making waves in the all-inclusive scene ever since. This five-star property sits in the exclusive Cap Cana area near Punta Cana, and honestly, it feels like they thought of everything when designing this place. The accommodation options here are seriously impressive, and you will not find yourself cramped in some tiny room like at other resorts. The Junior Suite Ocean View is their entry-level option, but do not let that fool you, because entry-level here means 592 square feet of pure luxury. These suites come with either a king bed or two doubles, perfect for couples or friends traveling together. The private balcony offers stunning ocean views that make you want to spend your entire morning just sipping coffee and watching the waves. Every room comes loaded with modern amenities including air conditioning that actually works, flat-screen TVs, minibars that get restocked daily, coffee makers for those who need their caffeine fix, free Wi-Fi throughout, in-room safes, plush bathrobes, comfortable slippers, and luxury toiletries that smell amazing. The decor strikes this perfect balance between modern sophistication and Caribbean charm, with lightwood accents and vibrant tropical touches that remind you where you are without being overwhelming. If you want something even more special, the Junior Suite Swim Up takes things to another level. Same size and amenities as the Ocean View version, but imagine rolling out of bed and literally walking into your own private pool area. The swim-up access from your terrace means you can go from your room to cooling off in seconds, and it creates this incredibly private and romantic atmosphere. For those who need more space, the one-bedroom Suite Ocean View spans 915 square feet with a separate living room and bedroom, plus a large balcony that makes you feel like you are living in a postcard. The Presidential Suite is where things get really wild at over 1,600 square feet with multiple bedrooms, living-in dining areas, a private plunge pool, and even butler service for when you want to feel like royalty. Now let us talk about the food situation, because this is where Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana really shines. Breeze serves as the main buffet restaurant, and unlike those sad buffets you might remember from other trips, this place takes it seriously. The beachfront location means you are eating with sand between your toes and ocean breezes keeping you cool. They have live cooking stations where chefs prepare everything fresh right in front of you, from grilled seafood that was swimming yesterday to perfectly cooked steaks. The breakfast spread runs until 11 in the morning because they understand vacation time, and the themed dinner nights add variety throughout the week. Caribbean Night features local specialties that give you a real taste of Dominican culture. Toro is their upscale steakhouse, and this is where meat lovers go to have religious experiences. The Latin American and Caribbean grilled specialties showcase the best of regional cuisine, with prime cuts cooked to perfection and fresh fish that melts in your mouth. The signature cocktails pair perfectly with the food, and the monthly wine pairing dinners are definitely worth planning your trip around. The elegant indoor setting creates an intimate atmosphere perfect for special occasions or when you just want to feel fancy. Sakura brings authentic Japanese cuisine to the Caribbean, which sounds weird but works incredibly well. The sushi bar serves rolls made with the freshest fish, and watching the chefs work is like performance art. The teppanyaki experience gets everyone involved and creates these fun, interactive meals that become vacation memories. They occasionally offer sushi-making classes, so you can learn something new while you are there. The lobby bar keeps things casual but sophisticated, serving craft cocktails and light snacks from 10 in the morning until 1 at night. The daily happy hour from 5 to 7 brings everyone together, and the live music some evenings creates this perfect vacation vibe where strangers become friends over shared drinks and good times. The pool situation here deserves its own vacation planning session because they really went all out. 3 outdoor pools include an infinity pool that seems to blend right into the ocean horizon, creating these Instagram-worthy moments that make your friends back home jealous. The adults-only pool maintains that sophisticated atmosphere without kids running around, though honestly, since this is an adults-only resort anyway, all the pools maintain that peaceful vibe. Pool depths range from 4 to 5 feet, perfect for cooling off without having to actually swim if you do not feel like it. The 82-foot infinity pool becomes the social hub during the day, with the swim-up bar serving tropical drinks that taste like vacation in a glass. Poolside cabanas provide shade and privacy when you need a break from the sun, and the loungers are actually comfortable enough to spend hours on without getting sore. The towel service means you never have to think about bringing anything from your room, and the food and beverage service ensures you never have to leave your perfect spot by the water. Pool games and activities keep things fun without being forced or cheesy. The beach access is what really sets this place apart from resort competitors. 500 meters of private white sand beach means plenty of space to find your perfect spot without feeling crowded. The calm turquoise waters look exactly like those screensavers everyone had in the early 2000s, except this is real life. Complimentary loungers and umbrellas at the beach, with towel service and food and drink service ensuring maximum relaxation with minimum effort. Water sports included in your stay feature snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, and sailing, giving you plenty of options beyond just lying in the sun. The snorkeling reveals colorful fish and coral formations right off the beach, while the kayaking and paddleboarding provide gentle exercise with stunning views of the coastline. The sailing excursions offer a different perspective of the resort and surrounding area. Activities at Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana cater to every energy level and interest. The fitness center opens at 6 in the morning for early birds and stays open until 10 at night for those who prefer evening workouts. Modern cardio equipment including treadmills and ellipticals face windows with ocean views, making exercise almost enjoyable. Free weights and resistance machines provide options for serious fitness enthusiasts, while group classes like yoga, Pilates, and water aerobics offer social exercise experiences. Personal training sessions are available for those who want customized workouts or professional guidance. The yoga classes often take place on the beach at sunrise or sunset, creating these magical moments where fitness meets meditation meets natural beauty. The spa and wellness facilities transform relaxation into an art form. Treatment options include traditional massages, rejuvenating facials, detoxifying body wraps, and hydrotherapy that uses water in various forms for healing and relaxation. The signature Caribbean-inspired massage incorporates local techniques and ingredients, while couple spa rituals create shared experiences perfect for romantic getaways. Facilities include a sauna for deep relaxation, steam rooms that open your pores and clear your mind, comfortable relaxation lounges where time seems to stop, and hydrotherapy pools that use water temperature and pressure for therapeutic benefits. Operating hours from 9 to 7 daily provide flexibility for scheduling treatments around other activities. Booking in advance is recommended because these services are popular, and you do not want to miss out on this level of pampering. Since this is an adults-only resort, there are no kids' clubs or children's activities, which is exactly the point. This policy creates an atmosphere of sophisticated relaxation where you can actually unwind without worrying about noise or disruptions. Couples and groups of friends can enjoy peaceful mornings, romantic dinners, and late-night entertainment without the chaos that sometimes comes with family-friendly resorts. The surrounding area offers plenty of attractions within easy reach of the resort. Marina Cap Cana sits just 5 kilometers away, accessible by taxi or hotel shuttle, featuring upscale shopping, dining, and boat excursions. The marina atmosphere provides a different vibe from the resort, with yacht watching and waterfront restaurants offering variety from your all-inclusive meals. Punta Cana Ecological Reserve, 15 kilometers away, showcases the natural beauty of the Dominican Republic through guided tours that highlight local flora, fauna, and conservation efforts. These excursions provide educational experiences and stunning photo opportunities while supporting environmental protection. Hoyo Azul Lagoon, 18 kilometers from the resort, features crystal-clear blue water surrounded by limestone cliffs, creating a natural swimming hole that looks almost too beautiful to be real. Excursion packages include transportation and often combine multiple attractions for full-day adventures. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.